This is the 2011 Jonway 257cc scooter. Well, actually classified as motorcycle, which it is. I call it the Silver Bullet. I dressed it up a little bit. It absolutely is an amazing bike for a Chinese product. It's the second one I've had. I dressed it up. I put some nice double striping, which I did by hand. I've been in the car business for about 40 years. Some nice chrome stripping. I labeled it. I call it the Silver Bullet. Really nice bike. Not that great on gas. I guess I gotta break it in some more. It's very comfortable, very quick. I put cup holders on each side, as you can see. And again, more hand striping, blue to offset the silver, as you can see. And there's the trunk, of course, with Silver Bullet on it and some more chrome molding. And of course, what else but Italian pride. Limited edition. The initials of my wife and I. And the Trans Am logo. I like the bird style. And of course, more hand striping. The tail end, nice lighting effect, and the striping on this side, which I made in twine into the striping going across the body. It's a beautiful bike. Has radio MP3 input, which really cranks. This is the dash. The only thing I found that hasn't lit up is for the cooling fan, but I'm not worried about it. It's very quiet, very smooth. I purchased this from extremescooters.com from Dave Bergman. He's a great guy. The first one they sent to me was busted from front to back, which I ordered black first, and he sent me this one, and he treated me really well. He was very kind and kept his word and made good. So if you're looking for a great scooter with high CCs and great looks, I get nothing but compliments on this, especially since I dressed it up. This is what you want. Okay? Have a good day.